Power BI desktop, and we are going to explore like how to install and set up the Power BI desktop. So in this, the objective of the lesson is to understand like how we can install the Power BI desktop and from where we can install the Power BI desktop. What is the system requirement? So if you can see here, like the we need a operating system Windows 10 or latest 64-bit and 32-bit, anything you can take. So mine is 64-bit. Memory minimum is 4, but it's better to have more than 8 GB of memory. Disk space, like if you have 1.5 GB .NET framework, and display resolution. So this is like the basic requirement how you can go and install the Power BI desktop. So in the last session, I was explaining like how we can install the Power BI desktop. So there is one method is like you can go to Google and search here Power BI desktop, and it will come to the download center. It has a different languages as well, but yes, for us we need English. And what was the latest date published? So this date published keeps on changing every month. If you see here, the last published was the 29th October, which is like yesterday. And what is the file size? So once if there is any news or anything is coming up, like any every month, Microsoft release their news about the Power BI desktop or any changes which you can go and check in the Power BI desktop update. So here you will see like what is the uh, latest version here, the Power BI October 2025 summary. So if you see here, the last updated was October 17th, 16th, and what all the key changes are there in the Power BI, and apart from Power BI, like Fabric as well, which is like cloud-based environment of Microsoft. So, and in terms of like reporting, what are the changes? Copilot and AI. For this, obviously, you need a we have a Copilot enabled, so we can click here. But yes, for that we need a premium workspace. So you can see like what is the Copilot requirements. So we can see here like clicking on the link, like what is the requirement for enabling the Copilot into Power BI. First of all, for that we need a premium based license. In the license which we are using, it's a trial version. So in trial version, it is very difficult to explore the Copilot features. But yes, I mean in premium version you can find these options. So installation steps in the document I have mentioned, like you can visit to this download, and if you have a Microsoft Store, you can click on that and you can search and download. Sign in using your Microsoft organization account. So you don't need a Microsoft organization account if we are not working in office. I mean, if we are just a student or we are just a learner. So I have posted one link in the last YouTube video of day 2, where you can click on that link and you can see how we can use our Gmail account to create this Power BI service. So since the trial version is 59 days only, and after that, if you click here, so you we can see the pop-up. Your free trial version of Power BI Pro is ending in 59 days. Upgrade now to continue all the features. So after that, you have to pay. I mean, if you wanted to use still, you have to pay for that, and then you can utilize the resources of this Power BI service. So we are going to see all this what is this account is about. So you can click and see like what exactly and buy pro now. So if you see here, the license type is free, the trial status is 59 days, the tenant name, the email ID. So it will that video will help you to understand like how to create, and here you can see like all the subscription and about your account. So, anyways, this is about the Power BI service and how you can Power BI desktop. We have already seen, so how we can download and like just use the Power BI desktop for creating any reports or dash reports only we create. We don't create a dashboard in Power BI desktop. So Power BI desktop is only used to create reports, and dashboards we are going to see in the Power BI service, like how to create dashboards, or like if you see here, I mean, there are a lot of other things are also there. But yes, I mean, get data, or like I will show you like how you can create a dashboard by publishing the report. So last time we created this auto report. You remember if you have seen that video. So we can like how we can create this, how we can use this report as a dashboard as well. So that we are going to see. Okay, and we what all those other options are there, like exploring the data and everything. So those also we can see, that set alert, monitor all this. And if you want to export this dashboard into PDF, PowerPoint, so it is going to current value. So if you click on export, it is going to export the whole thing into a PDF version. So like if somebody is asking us to like create a deck which can just I mean, it is really helpful when for example we have like a very complex 150 pages of presentation. So instead of like creating those presentations and like entering the data manually, we have a dashboard already built, or the dashboard is scheduled, which we can use to create this kind of visualizations and use that for our PowerPoint presentation as well. So if you see here, this is like a very nice PDF has been generated about that visual. So Power BI desktop interface view, ribbon, report view, data view, model view, field panes, and visualization panes. So these are the views like ribbon, which is having like all these options: home, insert, modeling, view, optimize, help. You can go and see. And after downloading and connecting with the data with the different sources, we are going to explore that as well. And report view, design interactive dashboard. So this is our report view where we are looking. This is our report view where we create all the reports, like we create a bar chart, we create a trend line chart, or whatever chart we want. So we create based on this um, data. So if you see here, like this is a time intelligence data where we can explore the data by each year, month, and if you drill down. So I'll explain you like what is drill down and drill through and drill up. So here we can see the data and the data points as well. So this is the reporting view, or we can see like a report view. Data view, inspect and transform data table. So this is our data view where we can see what all the tables, how many rows are loaded, how much columns are there, how many columns are there, what we can achieve with this view. We can create a new measure, quick measure, those things we are going to explore all this, running total, correlation, and everything, average, category, variance, quarter to date, month to date, and we are going to write as well those formulas. So new column, we want to create new table, mark as a date table. If there is a table which is only having a date or month or year, so that we are going to see. Model view, create and manage relationship between tables. So currently there is no lot of tables are not there, but this is a model view which we have, where we have all this data and one semantic model. So if you see here, like the tables it is showing and how many columns, 16 columns are there, and partitions. So you can see the table view as well and the model view as well. And you can see the properties of this, like what is the, we can change row label. Okay, keep a column with the unique values if I want is hidden or not is feature. Advanced option is there, storage mode is. So currently if you see, it's connected with the import model. So this is how this uh, data model view looks like. So what you can do with the model view, like you can create a relationship or manage it. So currently there are not tables. If you see, this option is disabled. We can manage roles, we can set up a Q&A, we can use this linguistic schema, import language, calculation group. If we have multiple tables, then yes, obviously we are going to manage those relationships. But we are going to see in our coming lectures those options. Apart from that, fields pane list all the imported tables and fields. So field pane, like this is all the fields like where you can see the options of modeling, insert, and help. You have the guided learning, we have training videos which you can click and you can see like what all the training for Power BI is available from Microsoft, which we can go and like learn those get certified. So certification we'll talk later. Training videos are there, so where they have a separate Microsoft have as a separate Power BI channel especially. So if you see here, like it has their own channel where they keep on posting the new topics, new changes, new events about the new um community and everything. So here in Power BI Microsoft.com, you can see like what all the changes are coming and what are the new things which are getting added to the Microsoft Power BI. And visualization pane, like which you can see like how what all the charts, graph, and slicer, which is this part, like how we can use this each of the visualization. So that also we can look into that. For example, if I want to create the same thing and instead of sales, I want something called profit. So I would like to compare the sales versus profit. So I can do that. Or like I can create a area chart. I can select that and it will create a area chart for that respective KPI. So sum by profit, like you can compare like what was the sales and what was the profit. So that we can compare. Hands-on exercise, you can install the Power BI desktop, connect to a simple explore the report, create a very basic report using the table and chart that we have done already. I would like to, if you are watching this video, I would like you to go through this exercise and like download the install the Power BI desktop, connect with the simple Excel sheet. So you don't have to like go and here we have after installing we have the options like to connect with the sample data, or else the best place is like we can go to Kaggle and here we can click, and also from here you can download any of the data set which you uh, feel like which is uh, very good or you are understanding. So mostly I will be using Sales Super Store. So just search here and so here you can see like a Sales Super Store. So somebody has posted the data, we can download and connect with this data set. Like you can click and download this data set here. So it will showcase like what is there in the data set, like what all the columns are there. Here you can come column, what all the columns are there, shipping date, customer ID, country, city. So all these columns you can download and you can use this data set as well. So you can click on the download option, download as zip, it will get downloaded. If you have an account, you can create, or else like you can create a new account. So, or else instead of Kaggle, just download Sales Superstore data set. So here you can go, or any of the GitHub account. There are a lot of people they would have posted this data set in their GitHub account as well. So like here you can go and download this raw data. So here. So this is the sample Superstore data, which we can like go to home, get data, Excel workbook, and I'll show you how to connect with this data model. I mean, uh, how to connect with Power BI semantic model as well. Those we are going to look. So it will take some time to get loaded. And if you see like orders, people, returns, so all this are table. You can just go and transform this data. So this is going to open a Power Query window if you see here. So yes, we are going to see those options like how to use this Power Query and all those things we are going to explore. So what I'm going to do, I'll just keep the headers. So if you see here, the headers are return and order ID. So I'll go to home and use first row as a header, and here as well, first row as a header, close and load. So all the changes will get loaded. So, and explore the data and create your basic report. So this is like the very basic requirement of the very basic exercise which is part of this. So the data is getting loaded. Now we can see like the relationship has, if you see here already there is a relationship got created as well. But yes, I mean, we are going to see how to manage relationship and everything. So, and you can create a very basic report with this number of order or discount and profit, and I want to compare with segment. So I am comparing the discount and by segment or by, you can say, like a subcategory as well. So if I want to explore the data by subcategory, I can explore the whole data. So this is, yes, this is one way to create the load the data and like explore the data. We are going to see all this relationship and all in our next lecture. So yes, thank you for watching this video and stay tuned. And there are more content will be going to come, like we'll be exploring all these options. So if you see like recent sources, what all the sources are there, but yes, we are going to explore other sources as well and how we can leverage the Power BI in a very good way, or like creating a very nice dashboard and report. So thank you very much, and keep watching and stay tuned. Thank you.